How to add timer or countdown to a video in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can add a timer to a video in CapCut PC. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up CapCut and then import your video. Now if you want to add a timer or countdown, then what you have to do is you have to go to your browser and open up a new tab. And in the new tab, search for a free video download, and here you could go to the one of the link here. You could either go to Pixels or the Pixabay. For now I will just hit towards the Pixels, and in the search bar search for timer. Now once you search for it, scroll through it and select the one that you want to add in your video. For now I will just download the first one right here, so download this video. Once the video is downloaded successfully, now hit back to CapCut, and then you have to import that timer into this CapCut here. And then you have to go to your downloads, and here I have the timer. Click on open. Now once the video is here, you could drag this video and place it on your timeline. So here I have the timer. You can simply click on it and then drag it. After that, you could resize this timer. Click on this interface at the top. Now with the help of this pointer, you could resize this timer, and then you could place and drag and place it wherever in your video. After that, as you can see, the length does not match with the length of my video, so drag this vertical line to the end of your video. Click on this timer right here, then you have to split it up, then delete the remaining part. And if you come to here, now you have a timer in your video. If you want to crop this timer, click on this timer right here, then click on crop from here. Now you could crop your timer. Once you're done, click on confirm. Here you have it. Again, drag it and place it somewhere in your video. Now you can export this. So that's how you can add a timer or countdown in a video in CapCut PC. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.